When a warning light appears on your dashboard, people assume a technician can plug in a scan tool, read a code, and immediately know which part needs replacement. Professional automotive diagnosis does not work that way. At Super Service Auto and Fleet Repair Shops, serving Orange County, Riverside County, and Los Angeles County, we test before recommending repairs. We test, not guess. A diagnostic trouble code is only a clue. Think of it like a zip code on a map. It can point us toward the right area, but it does not provide the exact address to find the real cause. Trained technicians must inspect, research, test, compare results, and verify what is happening. A scan tool is important, but it is only one tool in the process. Depending on the concern, a technician may need to examine live data, test wiring and electrical circuits, check pressure, inspect vacuum lines, review technical information, reproduce the symptom, or test mechanical components. The same code can be caused by several different problems. A sensor may report an issue, but the sensor itself may not be the cause. The real problem could be damaged wiring, a loose connection, a vacuum leak, low pressure, a mechanical failure, or another component affecting the system. Replacing a part based only on a code can waste time and money. Proper diagnosis helps prevent unnecessary parts replacement and identifies the root cause before repair is recommended. Some problems can be found quickly, others may take hours of testing, especially when the issue is intermittent and the vehicle does not act up at the shop. Professional diagnosis requires training, experience, patience, and the ability to interpret test results correctly. At Super Service Auto and Fleet Repair Shops, our goal is to explain what was tested, what was found, and why repair is recommended. The scan tool provides information. A skilled technician determines what that information means. Modern vehicles contain computers, sensors, electrical networks, mechanical systems, emissions equipment, and safety technology that work together. One problem can affect several systems, and multiple faults can create similar symptoms. Our message is simple, the code is a clue, testing finds the cause. We do not replace parts based on assumptions. We inspect, test, research, verify, and confirm. Routine inspections can identify the limping concerns before they become larger problems. Summer heat can place extra stress on batteries, cooling systems, tires, and air conditioning components. Schedule a 70-point vehicle inspection with a free AC performance check at the Super Service Auto and Fleet Repair Shop. Nearest you, repairs are extra. Super Service Auto and Fleet Repair Shops, serving Orange County, Riverside County, and Los Angeles County. We make it easy to do business with us. We test, not guess.